Hello guys, good afternoon and happy Wednesday to everyone. As you can see, it's a cash. It's a cash that I have. This is my first ever YouTube salary after over a year and I'm so happy. I want to share with you a good news that I finally I have received my first ever YouTube salary. It's just after over a year, and I received this. It was credited to my account on September 22nd, and I know it was not a big amount as yet for now, but I am still so grateful because all my hard work is paid off. So and it also motivates me to work harder and do better. So that's all guys, that is for the update. And if you want to know how much I've got, it is just $100. So I have $100, okay, and it is equivalent in dirham 350 for $100, okay, but I've got 300 because it was about $101. I think that it was not really exact $100. It's like $101, I think. Anyway, so I've received 352 dirhams. So yes, this is my first time YouTube salary, and yes, and I'm so happy for this. And it was not a big amount, but still I'm so grateful. And I want to thank you all guys for always supporting my channel and for always watching my videos, liking, sharing, and commenting. And I wish you all the best, and soon, for those who haven't received their salary yet, just don't give up. Just keep pushing yourself and
keep pushing yourself.
And she's my partner. So that's all for today, guys. I just want to update you that finally I received my first ever YouTube salary, and because of this channel, actually I've started this channel because of my daughter. Because last year it was lockdown in Dubai, so we have actually nothing to do at home. So my daughter suggesting me to do a vlog, so that's why we're here now, and finally we receive our what? Money.
This is my money.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye.
This is my money.